Crypto in crypto. You want to learn how to make crypto in crypto? New York style. A little New York style. We've been gone for a while, and we've seen a super moon. Look at that bad boy. It's beautiful. It's been a while. I love New York. How are we doing tonight? Wall Street, P, Crypto, and Crypto. If you want to learn how to make Crypto in crypto, hit that like, subscribe. We are going on a ride. We're going on to the moon, and we're going soon. Look at that, beautiful. This was last night in New York City, obviously. There was a beautiful picture. There was a super moon last night. If you did not know that there was a super moon last night, now you know. There was a beautiful super moon. This was nice. I seen it. I took a peek, and I was like, wow, that's beautiful. That's something you don't get all the time. That was a special night. I'm feeling good. How's everyone good? How's everyone feeling tonight? I want to talk about the new bad boy NFT platform. Imagine a platform that could provides a fairer and more transparent open marketplace by offering an industry lower 4% seller commission and provides buyers and zero fees when they use XCUR. Curate price today. What does it do? Well, basically, it is the world's first all-in-one market app utilizing blockchain. Curate provides a fair and more transparent open marketplace by offering this 4% seller's fee. This is really nice. What are we going to talk about? Well, the financial revolution, going gasless on crypto payments. Interesting. Very, very, very interesting. This is something to talk about. Why? Because we're going to be going to the moon. And we're going to be going soon. I'm excited. I don't know how anyone else feels about this, but we're going to the moon, and we're going soon. Let me tell you, the financial revolution initiated by blockchain highlighted the high costs associated with cross-border payments or even simple online transactions. Is what they're getting at is basically this is a blockchain. This is going to be something that they have to introduce, USD, XC. It's going to be the KuCoin. This is going to be in your KuCoin. You can get KuCoin now. I'm sure a lot of people have it. Introducing the USDXC. This is its own stable coin on the X chain. Pay attention to this. It is backed by the 1-to-1 ratio to the US dollar by pooling Curate own reserves with other stablecoin assets, reserves which include traditional currency, affiliated assets, and commodities. Interesting, right? From the commodity boy myself. What is this? This is looking fantastic. I had to do a little more research, so I did. Wall Street Pete did it for you while you're at work. Hard working. What is this? You know you can buy this. Do you know that they have this on TradingView? I'm excited. This is something to pay attention to. Buy, sell, earn. It's coming out June this year. It will be here. Okay, so hit that like, subscribe. I'm excited. The world's first gasless NFT market. Top 10 exchange listing April. Then it's got the May. Then here comes June, the growth and the app optimization. It's growing. It's being tested right now. If you look here, some of the things here we can talk about. Coinpedia, Bitcoin.com. There's a lot of cool things. Yahoo Finance. What's inside? Pay attention to Bleeple's NFTs. We're going to go over some of the NFTs today. We're going to talk about how important this really is and why you should be getting really excited as I am, as you can buy this now. I do own some of it. Here is the team. One of the team members, you can keep going, the CFO, Mo Karim. That's one of the guys here. Pay attention to some of the people here. You got the founder and the CEO as well. James Hakim. I've heard of him before, actually. This is pretty interesting. We have a pretty good photographer and animator here. Mobile app dev here. Okay. Pay attention to what's going on. I'm telling you right now, this is really big. As we go into the charts and we start looking at things, it's XCUR. What is XCUR? Well, pay attention. You might learn something today. We can invest in XCUR. Put it in your TradingView, as TradingView is for free. Now it's getting bigger. KuCoin, there it is. Beautiful. I'll go with the USTD. Tether. I bought some right now. It's on a steal. Look what happened. KuCoin. When did it come out? All right, April 2nd. This thing launched. It's going to be massive. If you understand, it's going to be similar to the fourth governance token. Pay attention to that. We talked about Mana the other night. This is 19 hours ago. This is on Instagram. Besides a yellow circle, haha. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? This ain't Christmas time neither. Laugh out loud, party, party. I see a red down market. What the F is the green poop? Mana Decentraland, the Atari News built to set into Mana through an in-world digital casino. This is, you can't make this up. Tomorrow, WallStreet Pete, we're going on a ride, Mana. Like, subscribe. What did I do this last night? This was the only thing in the green. If you pay attention, it was $1.37. You could have bought it for a cheap price, but guess what? It's no longer that cheap price. I sold that out at $1.55. I got lucky as hell. I'm going to admit it. I did not sell at the high because I'm a genius. No, I sold up at the high at the $1.55 here. If I have to pull out my phone to show everyone that I actually really did this, I'm really. It's going to be annoying, but I swear on everything that I love. I seen the resistance coming, and I'm going to tell you the exact. I'm going to tell you the exact price. Decentraland. I sold it out of. I'm going to tell you the exact price because I really did sell it out. Where's the history? You just go into the wallet. All right, we're not going to waste time doing that right now. I sold it at $1.55. We're going to the moon. You see I'm here, right? You see I'm going. This is a really exciting moment for us. We're in a bull market. I hope everyone's having a good night. I don't have anybody talking here. I don't have anybody chatting. This is different for me. I wonder why. I'm trying to understand why I'm not getting any feedback. I'm just getting some quiet viewers. I hope you hit the like button, subscribe. We have Engine here. We have a couple things I want to talk about. I did just buy VeChain, and why I think VeChain is really cheap. Why I think if you look at the 15-minute, we're sideways action here on the RSI, Relative Strength Index. The Curate is going to be something to talk about. I want you to understand it has a really nice platform here. It comes out in June. Watch the video. You can watch the video if you want. All right, so I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, they're coming out big. This is it right here. It's XCUR. I do own some on KuCoin. I bought some. It's cheap. It's under $6. Pay attention to it. I sold my Mana out. I'm going to buy it back at a cheap price. What am I going to buy it back at? I really don't know yet. I'm going to do it really fast only because I told everyone to buy it cheap last night at $1.37. Well, we're getting the Fibonacci pullback. I'm going to own more shares in just a second. I'm really excited about this. Let's see. So when I talk about this, you guys have heard about the Fibonacci retracement, right? It's my uncle, Mr. Fibonacci. I love this man very much. He's my man. Stand with the plan. We are in Italy. I love you, Mr. Fibonacci. I love him very much. Very nice. We look here, as I'm done being a reject. Here we are at the pullback. 38.2% is the $1.37. How funny is it that last night in my chat here, as we talk about this, we were trading $1.37. That's kind of weird. That's telling you a lot that technical analysis is the shit. Pay attention, because what it's saying is that when we come down here, Mr. Fibonacci, we can get that pullback and still have a wonderful uprise, a wonderful percentage rate of the uptrend still. We're back at the $1.63. So what am I going to do? I'm going to pay attention to this $1.40. When it hits $1.40, I should be buying back more Mana Decentraland. That's the truth. If you have not learned with the technical analysis, what do? You get to earn more shares. You get to buy more shares. That's basically what's happening. I bought VeChain. I'm looking to see what VeChain's doing. It's fallen, so That's good. It's getting a little cheaper. I bought it at 20 cents. This is a bullish flag. Currently, we are looking pretty good. If you don't know what a bullish flag is, we've gone over it in our videos. That's definitely good looking. What else do I want to talk about? This was a big deal. Ethereum news. So we just keep getting more Ethereum news. It's kind of out of control. If you're enjoying these videos, I'm calm tonight. Enjoy the calmness tonight, right? Because that won't last too long neither. It's just a good day. I'm feeling good. I feel like I'm in the Bahamas somewhere just chilling. You know how that feels, right? No, we don't. One day we're going to feel it. We're going to feel this breeze, right? Let's talk about something here. What is this? We're speaking of the European Investment Bank, the EIB. April 28th, 4 p.m., 4:11 p.m. It's a 1-minute read. The bond issued yesterday. Union's lending arm announced Wednesday. That's today. Hump day! It's issued its first ever bond on the Ethereum blockchain. The bond issued yesterday is worth €100 million, if that's right, yeah, and then 121 million USD, and will mature on April 28, 2023. Money from underwriters, those assuming risk by buying into a bond, is represented as a central bank digital currency, CBDC, on the Ethereum public blockchain. This is really cool. Investment banks, Goldman Sachs. You can read it through. It's a very cool reading. It's only a minute, as they say. This is all you need to know. We're now having bonds, the first bond in Ethereum. This is out of control. This has never been more bullish in my life. There's the first one, Muppet Master. What's up? BTC at a make or break? That's a really good question. Buying Bitcoin today is like buying real estate in Manhattan in the 1800s. Puppet Master, are you going in and out of trades, or are you the kind of person that is hodling, holding the stuff? I don't know what you're doing, so I kind of want to know that question, Puppet Master. But listen, this is funny because if you read this, you just asked the question. Kind of answered it pretty much. That's that in itself. If you follow me on Instagram, that in itself right there answers a lot of stuff. We are so bullish. If you did not see this, I need you to watch. Not this. This man right here. Holy cow, he talks about Bitcoin. You want to hear this? I can't play the whole thing, right? It's copyright. He just came out with this last week.
Dressed down in a Teflon, you might have to dodge bullets. Even I dodged the bullet. I ain't fuck with the Bitcoin. I don't lie, fool. I shit like I ate an order of tofu. I keep...
He says, I dodge bullets. I ain't fucking with the Bitcoin. I thought it was hilarious. He just came out last week. He's from the tri-state. I don't know if you knew that, but he is. He's from the tri-state. Method Man, it's pretty cool. Pay attention to this. What's going on, right? The digital world. The digital world's getting crazy. Cyberpunk is the maker, the creator of this. This is a digital NFT art. Pretty soon, the world, Van Gogh, all this craziness, this is what's happening. You're going to be buying this for 1,000, 0.4296 of an Ethereum. As Ethereum moves, this price moves. You can't make it up. If Ethereum jumps up $1,000, this will jump up too. It's the NFT non-fungible token. They set this price at the 0.296 price of Ethereum. If Ethereum is $1 million a share, you will have to pay 0.4296 of $1 million. Do you understand? If you own this and you buy it, and it's 3 views, it's number 569 out of how many? It should tell you. Here it is. There's a bunch of lists of people that own it. This is cool stuff. I really want you to understand this is the NFT. This may not be important to you, but one day this is going to be important to someone. This one's for 4.43. You pay a little more non-fungible tokens, right? The older it is, the more it is. Just like when we go into the other NBA Top Shot, right? The NBA's coming in. The NBA is definitely flocking into this. You can pay attention to your collection. You can sell your own stuff. I got this for $119. This is my showcase. What are we talking about? Wall Street Pete. I know some people are really excited that I showed them this. Certified Ballers. There's Curry. This is pretty cool. You actually get to trade with them. Carter Williams, I don't know if you remember him. This is really sweet. My collection, you go down, I click onto my showcase. This is what Wall Street Pete does. And then I got the Randy Dandy put back. I got the John Morant. This is what you could do. This is the stuff. That's the John Wall assist. Here you go. The hang time. That's a beautiful move. Let's get it. So, what I do is I put this on for sale. Why is it different? Why is it so much different than anything else? Why can't I just go to YouTube? It's minted. I have number 271 out of 35,000 of them. I have the 85th one. You could type in WallStreet Pete Ballin. This is my name on the NBA Top Shop. You can create it. What's up, Antonio? Check out Live Peer sometime. I just got it added on Gemini. Oh, yeah, I seen that. Now, I've already seen. I didn't look into it too much. Here's my Dapper wallet. I have all my authenticators keeping me safe. You verify. You will then be able to take your Ethereum and transfer it into back your Ethereum on your platform. Pay attention. There's a lot of stuff to talk about. The NFT world is huge. The NBA, that's huge. This is just nuts. Everything that we talk about here is for a reason. I'm actually going to just go into the charts now, do a couple things. We're going to talk about what's next. What could be next for Decentraland Mana? I think we're going to see $2. My personal opinion, right now, through my technical analysis, I see an inverted head and shoulders. That's kind of a shoulders pattern. That's kind of what made me realize that we could not be looking too hot here. So I'll go to my forwardly, and now it's changed. If you look up, well, we hit the resistance that I thought we did, but it's okay. We have some very bullish news. Atari is going to the digital casino world, so we are going to basically do the Fibonacci retracement, as we said with my Italian uncle, right? We pull it up, we come through. What do we keep talking about? The $1.37 keeps coming up. That $1.37 is real. Take this, go to the gray. That's what I told you. I wanted to do the Fibonacci with the grayish color. That's what you're looking to do. You take this, you put this price right here. This is 137, we said. Right there. So 137, I'm going to try and buy back in. Dogecoin is making some moves. Mana may never, ever touch that. You understand me? It may just go to the moon from here. The next candle for this, let's go to the hourly, is 45 minutes. We just got a new 15-minute candle, and we're still falling. You got me? So that's really good. It means we can get it for cheaper. You have to think smart here. I want to get more. I want a dollar cost average in. I want a dollar cost average out. Anyone using Celsius to stake? That's a good question. I'm not messing with that. No. It seems like a really quiet night here. I don't know if anyone's getting the notifications or if anyone's just tired of. I only did a couple videos today, but it happens. You get burnt out. Crypto gets you burnt out. You got to get back to your own life. I totally get it. I really do. So the fact that, it's not blowing up right now, everyone's not huge, going crazy, I get it. This is just a mellow video. I wanted to talk about some of the things that were coming here. Mana is looking very bullish. Mana is looking excellent. If you do notice, though, on the forwardly, we're getting a very big candle downwards. So it's telling me that the pullback is getting a little less in strength. We're losing some strength on the pullback, going up now, back to the pull where the money on the volume was feeding in, where everybody was FOMOing in, right? So now we're looking pretty good. I'm getting tired. You can tell I'm so exhausted. I'm sounding like I'm sounding beat. I didn't get the notification, JF. Yeah, I figured that. No notification. Here's everybody funneling in. I'm sorry you didn't get it. I can't make YouTube start working better. I don't know what to do. I wish I could. TKO Fitness, what's up, my brother? I'm starting to have some really good conversations with some of the people in here. I'm starting to have some really good feedback. I'm learning a lot, and I appreciate every conversation I have with everyone. It's hard to have time and find time with everyone, but I do find it once in a while, and I do appreciate it. You got to see. I was talking to TKO Fitness today. He's in New York, and he does some boxing moves. He kicks some ass. He's going to be on my Zoom one day. He's going to be on the Zoom. We're going to be out here. I'm going to send you an invite. Right here, I'll click more. You'll join. You'll come in, and basically we'll have a couple people up here on the screen. We'll do some talking. If you want to talk sicto crypto, if you want to talk about some adversity, we could talk about that too. We're going to have a wonderful channel here. We're growing. We have a community on the Discord channel. If you do not have Discord, you need to get Discord. It's another one. It's another app. It's another social media. It's a community that we're developing. Yes, I do have Discord. I do expect you to maybe check it out. I'm telling you right now, Discord is a good one. I'll have to show it to you again. It's on my last video. If anybody wants to check my very last video, Biden wants Bitcoin cheap. Biden wants to get punched in the face. Oh man, he drives me nuts. He's our president. What can I say? You can't bash the president. He's trying to do good for us, right? I don't know what to say. It's just I'm tired of the 44% tax talk. He wants to do capital gains on Bitcoin, and I'm sick of it. Maybe you're getting shadow banned. Yeah, right. You know what it is? I used to stay up late. And I used to just wait up to 4 in the morning, and exactly. And you'd get tired, and you just look at the charts, and it's too much for you. But the thing is we have to pay attention to Bitcoin. That's what I wanted to say. That was one of the things as I get off topic. Bitcoin's RSI is falling on the 15. But if you pay attention, we got a rejected M. See the M, so it's nice. This is what you want. We'll get some sideways boring action like your X. Excuse me, see? Oh, yeah, I'm going to bed early tonight. I will not be doing a midnight video tonight. Did a midnight video last night. Threw me off my game. I stayed up till 2 in the morning. I got excited, and I just can't hide it. That was huge bullish news about Ethereum. I'll tell you right now. The SEC punts long-awaited Bitcoin EFT decision to at least June. Crypto advocates will have to wait a while longer. The U.S. regulators' verdict on Bitcoin exchange traded funds approval. So we'll wait till June and we'll keep making money, and that's not funny. That's good stuff. Damn huge. Germany opens up an institutional crypto fund. Wow. I mean, if it doesn't get any bigger, if you don't, it's every 5 minutes I feel like there's a bullish news on why you should buy Bitcoin. I mean, seriously, every 5 minutes, even on this here, it's just crazy. U.S. Bank yesterday will launch crypto custody pending compliance test. They're talking about the blockchain practices, announces a flurry of new activity. This is what's happening. It's getting big. Nexon joins Tesla and Bitcoin bet worth $100 million purchase. This was today. What? Just said it bought $100 million worth of Bitcoin, joining a listing of tech companies embracing the digital currency. I think we went over this last night. We did because it was midnight and we went over this. So this is insane. This is such bullish news that you can't have enough Bitcoin and Ethereum. I know the altcoins are very important, but what happens to the altcoins? Can anyone understand? Because I don't think anyone really understands what's going on. The altcoins... Bitcoin goes up first, okay? Pay attention to what happens because you need to understand. We're going to do the EMA ribbon. Maybe we need to get some indicators here that are starting to make more sense. This is what I need to do. Then this is what we need to see. So my Bollinger Bands right now are looking pretty good. They're trying to flip. I'm trying to flip my EMA exponential moving average is what it stands for, the EMA, our EMA right here. It's mixed with my Bollinger Bands. It's a really nice one. Can't see too much here. I am going to remove the drawings because we can't see dick without that there. What's happening now? Look what's happening with Bitcoin. It is so moving up, but at the same time, you got to remember. Go to the forwardly, get some better candles. What is it doing? It was all the way up here kicking ass, taking names of 62, 64,000. Right now, we're 10,000 under just about. Don't you understand? We're going to hit 70,000. We're going to flip. Now, look, this forwardly is telling us we are bearish. Wow. You see that? So the forwardly candle is showing me that we flipped on our ribbon. We're flipped still going down, but here it comes, this little lip here up. This is really cool because if I go to my hourly, you would see that we're going on a ride and we're going to the moon and we're going soon. Do you see my EMA flip? Does anyone see this? Please tell me you recognize and see this. Anchor is playing games. Yes, I told you if Anchor could get punched in the face, I'd punch it right in its face. Anchor's pissing me off. That's a typical move. 16.7 now, back to there, but look what it's doing on my EMA. Pay attention. Look, we have the ribbon flipped. The ribbon was going down. It was yellow, had the light bands. And then we flipped over to the darker red here, and now we're moving up. Just hold your bags. That's all you got to do. Mana's now coming back up. It wasn't so cheap after all. The hourly's already flipping. If you look at the last hourly candle, Mana was falling. Go figure. You can now go buy Mana probably again, and it's gone back off to the races. I mean, we're in a bull market here. There's nothing you could do. It's all you could do is dollar cost average in. When you get paid, just $1.37. We'll see $1.37 Mana again. I promise you. You will be able to buy $1.37 Mana again. It's just coming to a point where you won't see Mana ever again. Like, where will you never see Mana again? You will never see Mana at 40 cents ever again. 40 cents, you'll probably never, ever see it. I don't ever want to say never because you don't know what could happen, right? There's a possibility, but the chances are slim to none, and I want to have fun. Oh, girls, just want to have fun. Oh, what a wonderful night. I'm so tired. I'm getting delirious. It's crazy. VeChain is setting up for a nice bullish flag. What are we doing here? I'm hoping for an ascending triangle because it's looking like it's piling up for one. If I do my charts here, my technical analysis, if I pay attention clearly, I do see something here on my trend moving up. If we continue, we can get some type of movement action on the upward ascending triangle. I do need, though, to see something better action here to show me that it's really happening. What is an ascending triangle? What does it look like? Well, it kind of does something like this. Upward movement all the way through, in and out until you get this, and it's gone. We're kind of close to something similar to that. I do expect this type of movement when we do get a little closer to the midnight tonight. I might put an order in on VeChain to sell myself out at the 23-cent mark. I'm not sure. Hold on, because I just bought VeChain. And I know that while I'm sleeping tonight, because I'm going to bed early, after I just did this knucklehead move, we got to see where we're going. Right there. Tells you right there. That's your price. 22.9. I'm getting out at 22.9 on my VeChain. VeChain, I'm getting out 22.9. You heard it here first. It's not trading a lot. It's not trading a lot. It doesn't seem right. Hold on. I'm wrong. Wall Street Pete is wrong. There it is. There's the price. I apologize. 25 cents. I'm sorry. I almost made a big mistake, and that's why you got to be careful with your technical analysis. This is why people don't have the balls to go live, because you'll make a mistake, and you will look like a real jerk-off, and then it's over. All your credibility's gone. Working on Wall Street, nobody gives a damn. Nobody cares at that point. You don't know what you're talking about. You look real silly. That's it right there. That was the last time we touched. If you pay attention to this line, as I'm trying to show you, this line, this number, this price is really, really, really important. Why? Because if you look here, we were hitting. At one point in time, this was our resistance. We make it orange. We were having a lot of trouble, right? Trouble, and we broke down. And now we're down here. Now we're going to come back up here again and have trouble. I'm going to sell my VeChain at 25 cents. I'm going to make a nice profit. This is what I do. You buy it at 19 and a half like I did. I bought it at 20 cents because it went down a half a cent since I bought it. No big deal. I look at the RSI. We're getting ready to go to bed. That's why I'm going quick. I'm waking myself up, right, with fast Wall Street talk money. This is what we do. Basically, we're falling at the four-hourly, you see. We're still falling on the hourly. And then if you look at the 15-minute, the more recent time, the candles are shifting. The world is shifting. In a world where Wall Street Pete tells you news, where you can make money and you can't lose. Oh, my God. Listen to that man. Hit that like and subscribe. No more living in a can. I love you from here to Japan. Oh, yeah, put your feet in the sand, because when I'm waving my hand, and I say goodbye at the Cayman Islands. I love it. Wall Street Pete, have a sick crypto night. I'm going to go over one last thing before, because we do the anchor bad boy stanker. Everything is looking good on my EMA. Pay attention all day. If you see my lines up here, we're going to have to do this move here with this J. Man is looking very healthy. Anchor is going to be fine, all right? Anchor is going to be fine. You have to pay attention to what it's doing. We're on the hourly. We'll go to the four-hourly. You see my band flip? Do you see the band flip? Look, it flipped. This red is coming. It's flipping. Anchor is the most bullish on a four-hourly chart right now that I could ever see. It's not going to tell you. It's going to fool you. I understand all of that. The RSI is not looking good in your eye. It's going to fall a little bit. If you see and you zoom out, when in doubt, you'll see that we're down here. We have so much RSI to move. You'll go to the hourly just like we did, and then look in the hourly, we're already moving up. Buy some more anchor. What did I do? I bought my anchor. I changed my portfolio, by the way. I'm sorry. I want to show you this. This is my BS account. This is not a lot of money. I get it. No YouTuber should be bragging about any of these funds. This is just a fund account, a training account. Wall Street Pete now has 14,700. He is now in fourth ample, and he is now on the anchor. We have $1,100 US in the fourth ample governance token. When I hit $1,100, I will be even. That's how I know I'm down. I'm down a couple hundred, almost three, 210 to be exact. It's okay. I'm not upset. You're going to make money. You're going to take money out. You're going to take your profits. You're going to go buy SafeMoon. You're going to do crazy things. Be careful with SafeMoon. SafeMoon is very difficult. This is a metal crypto debit card that I'm getting. It's got the Coinbase. It's got the Visa. I'm on a waiting list. You see it says here. And then it's the Coinbase card. I will be getting it in the mail. I'm really excited. Pay attention to VeChain as it's on the move. Pay attention to Mana and pay attention to Anchor. This is a wonderful video. I hope you understood and got everything out of this. I hope you got some great feedback. I'm going to be in the Cayman Islands soon. This is going to be a real picture of Wall Street Pete. Have a seat. But first, we're going to the moon, and we're going soon. I can see it in my eyes. Holy shit, I'm exhausted. All right, I'm going to get some bedtime. We're going to get some bed. Woo! I hope I'm going to go get something that rhymes with bed. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I love you guys. Wall Street Pete, Sick Though and Crypto. I'm out. Scream and shout. Have a great evening. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Or would you?